So if you want to see what this looks like, the train station from inside the train, well, that's the new building, and there's about 30 rail lines, so pretty much just as big as the train station at Central Station, Termini, and yeah. So those are those buildings that I was showing you in the earlier video from today, and yeah, this is just we're waiting for the time when the train will be setting to leave. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. And I will be seeing you soon as the train passes by. So here you go. This is another one of the Italian trains called Jazz, which are also very comfortable. All the best.